Hi guys, welcome to Mass Knowledge. So today we are going to see Huawei Watch 3 Pro, and first of all I'm going to show what you're going to get when you buy this watch, all the free gifts. Okay, so this is the Huawei Watch 3 Pro. So when I bought the gift, I got this flask. Okay, so this is 2199 in Malaysia, so make sure you get all the free gifts. Here is a thermos flask. Okay, I got two Huawei Watch bands. Okay, I'll do a separate video by using both the bands. Okay, and I got a Huawei Watch gift set. Okay, so in here you can see you get a diary, the charger. Okay, very good one. And you also get see, this is your very important for this COVID situation nowadays. Okay, so now let's get back to the watch. So each time you buy this watch, don't forget to collect your free gifts. Okay, so this is the watch. Okay, let's check out the box. Okay, so Huawei Watch 3 Pro, titanium grey, brown leather strap. Okay, this comes with eSIM, Wi-Fi certified, and also Bluetooth. Okay, so now let's look what's in the box. Okay, look at that, guys. Get out. Okay, so this is the watch. Okay, see, in your left side there's no buttons. On your right side there's this crown like iPhone, and also a back button down here. Okay, let's see what's in the box. You open the box, what we get here is a few manuals. Okay, warranty card. Okay, this is your Huawei Health app later to pair with your phone. Okay, and a manual. Okay, so the pairing with the phone I'll do in a separate video, so please like and subscribe if you want to see me pairing my phone with the watch. Okay, and you get a charger. So let's look at the chargers first. So if you look at it, this is a how many watts charger? I can't see so well so far. Huawei Watch 3 charges with wirelessly. Okay, so you can use a normal wireless charger also. Okay, and if you guys know how many watts is this charger, you all can just put down in the comments. Okay, because so far I can't see. Okay guys, oh yes, it is 5 watts. Okay, 2 amperes. Okay, so this is just a 5 volts charger, so I guess it'll take time to charge the watch. Okay, so now let's start up the watch. Okay, let's get rid of that. Let's open up. Okay guys, okay. Nope. Is it the down button? Yep. So to on your watch for the first time, this is the button, not the crown button. Oh, this thing is simply gorgeous. So on top is glass material. Okay, sapphire glass, silver, and also ceramic back. Okay, here you have your sensors. Here you have 4 sensors. Okay, let's check it out later. Oh, that's a beauty. You guys can see, oh, it's just glowing, I guess. Okay, so let's wait for the watch to start up. It takes some time. Okay, so it sticks magnetically. Okay, so it's up. Now let's go. Okay, so I'm going to choose English. Or just look at that, guys. Okay, so scan the QR code to download Huawei Health on your phone, then add this device Huawei Watch Pro 3. So I can also use the QR code, okay, which I'm not going to do now. Okay, can see this is settings. Also you have to scan the QR code to go in the watch. Okay, so you can see your device name, Huawei Watch 3 Pro, your model, your bill number, IMEI and everything. Okay, back. Okay, so I think we cannot use QR code or download app to pair the device. Okay, so I have to use the QR code, and once I'm in the app, then only we can start up the watch. Okay, so which means without a phone we cannot use this watch. See that nothing moves except for this. Okay, let's see. Yep, nothing goes. I cannot go anywhere. Okay guys, so this is just an unboxing. I'll do another video when I pair it up with my phone. Okay, so please put in the comment what you think about this watch, and remember guys, this Huawei Watch 3 Pro, you have to connect it to a phone to be able to be used. And other wearables, even I now pair to a phone, I can still use, but Huawei Watch 3 Pro you can't do that. Okay guys, so I'll see you all in my next video. Okay, please comment and tell me what you think about this watch. Okay, this watch is RM 2199 in Malaysia. Okay, one of the most expensive watches. It has a cheaper sibling which costs 1699. Okay, but this one has a better battery life because this is 790 mAh battery and the other one is only 390. Okay guys, so please leave a comment telling me what you like about this watch. Okay, and I'll join you all in my next video after pairing up with my phone. Okay, take care, cheers.